Hey everybody, this is Ryan. If you're looking for a rash guard that has some SPF built into it, this video just might be for you. So this company here, right here, sent this to me and said, Ryan, can you do a little fit? Tell us what you think. Does this do what we say it's going to do? Of course, I said yes, but no way whatsoever this being provided to be a effective review because I'm just here to keep it real. So this is a like aqua blue color. I believe they come in a variety of different colors. This just so happens to be the aqua blue. Nice color, I would say. The material on it, 89% nylon and 11% elastane. Here, there's a little bit of a texture to it. If you can see up close, this is where wet, just to see how it feels once it has been wetted, and it has a fitted feel to it. So if you're looking for something that has a fitted feel, this is definitely it. So from a sizing standpoint, this is right on point with what would normally be worn. So from a user standpoint, if the extra large size is the typical size worn, this is how an extra large would fit. It is more of a fitted style, but if you wanted more of a looser fit, recommended to go up at least one additional size. This is a full shirt and long sleeve. So the sleeves come long enough all the way to the end of the wrist. So it's not up on the forearm. Very nice fit all the way around. Comes up, it doesn't have, it's not too tight around the neck, has a nice stretch to it. It does have a little graphic here that says surfing. Other than that, there's no other print that is on this. It's a very light feel, and when it does get wet, it goes dry pretty quick. It does have a SPF 50, which is pretty cool. All in all, very, very impressed. Very nice, light, loose feel to it. And the color is actually pretty nice. So if you're looking for a rash guard that has SPF, also is more of a fitted look, long sleeve, full fit, and very soft to the touch, and dries relatively quickly. This hopefully answers all the questions you might have, and we'll talk to you soon.